Every day, homes lose time through clunky controls, outdated setups, and tech that never feels intuitive. Simple actions take longer than they should, comfort feels fragmented, and convenience stays just out of reach. Welcome to Need It Now. Today, we're unveiling genius Amazon smart home gadgets that reshape how your space reacts, adapts, and supports real life, bringing clarity, rhythm, and control back into your routine. Subscribe, tap like, share your thoughts in the comments, and find every product linked in the description. Let's begin. Loose chargers sliding off desks and cables disappearing behind furniture break focus every day. Spring lock clips guide wires into position with a precise press and release motion, keeping power, data, and audio lines visible and reachable. The adhesive bonds cleanly to smooth surfaces without marks, while the compact round form fits narrow spaces with visual order. 8 clips arrive together, carrying a small $8.69 tag on Amazon. High windows turn cleaning into a risky chore, especially when thick glass blocks access. A magnetic double-sided cleaner glides across both panes at once, locking securely while you stay indoors. Adjustable strength adapts to different window depths, while wide sponges hold water longer for faster results and streak-free clarity. Extra pads extend its lifespan. A traction balance prevents drops, reducing strain and keeping edges spotless. This smart tool reaches tall glass safely, priced at $45.96 on Amazon Up. Paper stacks slow work when staplers hesitate, misfire, or jam mid-task. Impulse drive power punches through thick bundles instantly, letting hands move forward without delay. 30-sheet capacity manages reports, contracts, and packets using standard staples, while jam prevention preserves momentum throughout busy hours. A refill alert light signals timing before shortages interrupt flow, and hidden storage keeps extra staples within reach. Precision mechanics deliver speed, consistency, and confidence for demanding desks where interruptions cost focus. On Amazon, that upgrade in workflow efficiency sits at $31.51. Messy cables, flat lighting, and lifeless desks drain atmosphere fast. A spiral rotating lamp introduces motion, color, and balance while powering phones wirelessly from the same surface. Gesture control shifts tones mid-air as the glowing core spins smoothly, creating visual flow without cords. Rechargeable freedom meets modern decor energy. That sculptural upgrade circles around Amazon at $39.99. Groceries spoil faster than expected, draining money, flavor, and weekly planning without warning. Chef Preserve changes that pattern through a handheld vacuum sealer that locks freshness inside meals far longer. One press removes air in seconds, protecting meats, produce, leftovers, and dry goods inside reusable bags built for heat, cold, and daily storage. Counter space stays clear, drawers stay organized, and freezer burn stops stealing texture. Rechargeable power supports extensive sealing sessions while remaining travel-ready for trips or outdoor cooking. On Amazon, this compact upgrade is marked at $79.20. Dirty floors demand time, pressure, and repeated passes that leave arms tired and results uneven. Shark Steam and Scrub rewrites that routine by combining heated steam with rotating pads that actively work the surface for you. A targeted blast releases extra power exactly where buildup clings, while continuous rotation delivers hundreds of scrubs each minute with smooth control. Multiple steam settings adapt to quick touch-ups or deep restoration, and built-in headlights expose debris hiding along edges and beneath furniture. Washable pads refresh easily, and the removable tank supports longer sessions without interruption. For homes that value visible cleanliness and real sanitization using only water, this upgrade stands out. On Amazon, that level of performance is listed at $119.99. Reaching your back turns showers into awkward stretches and missed spots. A wall-mounted electric scrubber handles cleansing hands-free, rotating fully while adjusting power through smart pressure sensing. Dense bristles and interchangeable heads exfoliate smoothly across a wide surface, following natural curves without strain. Waterproof construction, adjustable height, and long battery endurance keep routines consistent day after day. For a bathroom upgrade that feels personal and precise, Amazon lists it at $129.99. Dark hallways and silent rooms can feel unsettling once lights go out. These plug-in night lights respond automatically as evening falls, filling spaces with a warm, gentle glow that guides movement without glare. Power draw stays minimal, while brightness adapts naturally to surroundings. Compact sizing keeps outlets free and rooms calm. Bedrooms, bathrooms, and kitchens gain quiet reassurance through the night. Amazon offers the pair for $7.49. Nighttime rooms often feel flat, quiet, and uninspiring once lights turn off. An Astronaut galaxy projector fills ceilings with drifting nebula clouds and soft green stars, creating a calming cosmic scene that invites rest or wonder. Remote control fine-tunes motion, brightness, and timing, while the adjustable head directs the sky exactly where you want it. Bedrooms transform into immersive space escapes. On Amazon, that atmosphere arrives at $28.31. Tension builds quietly at the roots, along with oil, residue, and daily stress that shampoos rarely reach. A silicone scalp massager changes that moment by awakening circulation while cleansing deeply with flexible bristles that move comfortably across skin. Product spreads evenly, foam feels richer, and buildup releases without pulling or snagging strands. Waterproof construction allows use during showers or dry rituals, while the ergonomic grip stays steady in wet hands. Just a few minutes create a calmer head, fresher feel, and a noticeable sense of care woven into routine grooming. On Amazon, that small daily upgrade carries an $8.49 price point that feels surprisingly light. Unprotected doors create quiet anxiety, especially at night or while staying somewhere unfamiliar. An adjustable security bar adds instant resistance by bracing firmly between floor and handle, turning simple entry points into solid barriers. Lightweight construction allows quick placement at home, apartments, or hotel rooms, while reinforced alloy joints and thick tubing withstand intense pressure. The rubber base grips surfaces tightly, keeping alignment steady during use. Sliding doors and standard entries gain an extra layer of defense that buys valuable reaction time and restores confidence. Easy deployment means protection appears exactly when needed, without tools or permanent changes. For anyone prioritizing peace of mind across different spaces, Amazon lists this safeguard at $23.99, a small exchange for feeling secure wherever you rest. Plush toys multiply quickly, covering floors, beds, and every free corner until playrooms feel overwhelming. A tall wooden storage zoo restores balance by gathering more than 100 plushies into one vertical display that feels playful, not crowded. Elastic bands and netting keep every character visible and reachable, turning cleanup into part of the fun. Solid pine framing with steel reinforcement provides dependable stability, while rolling wheels allow easy repositioning during room changes. Children gain independence, spaces feel lighter, and favorite toys stay proudly showcased instead of hidden away. Assembly stays straightforward, personalization adds charm, and organization becomes a habit rather than a chore. Amazon presents this cheerful solution at $59.99, a thoughtful upgrade that transforms clutter into order without sacrificing joy. Closets lose control when jeans, skirts, and scarves pile over each other, wasting space and time every morning. A metal pants hanger system restores order by stacking multiple garments vertically, freeing shelves and rods instantly. Each rack holds several pieces securely, keeping fabrics visible, separated, and easy to grab without reshuffling the rest. Durable steel construction supports heavier clothing, while the anti-slip coating prevents sliding or creasing. Horizontal or vertical placement adapts to different closet layouts, apartments, or dorm rooms without tools or setup. Daily routines feel faster, wardrobes look cleaner, and storage finally works with you rather than against you. On Amazon, this two-pack solution lands at $17.99, turning cramped closets into efficient, calm spaces with one smart adjustment. Pantries often turn cooking into guesswork, with scoops, spills, and portions that never feel precise. PantryChic replaces that chaos with a smart storage system that measures and dispenses dry ingredients directly into your bowl with digital accuracy. Containers stay airtight to protect freshness, while the integrated scale remembers preferred units and previous amounts for smoother batch cooking. Flour, grains, coffee, spices, and more stay organized, measured, and ready at a touch. Portion awareness improves, counters look refined, and prep time feels intentional rather than rushed. This system blends organization with intelligent control, reshaping how kitchens function day after day. On Amazon, that level of precision and order comes in at $199.95. Plant care often fades into forgetfulness, especially on busy desks and small spaces. EyeVac transforms a tiny plant into an interactive companion, reading water and light needs while responding through expressive emoji reactions. The compact robot design adds character without crowding, blending decor with guidance that feels playful yet useful. Care becomes intuitive, engaging, and surprisingly calming. For tech lovers and plant fans alike, Amazon lists this animated planter at $89.99. Shaky shots and awkward taps ruin great mobile moments. A magnetic camera grip gives phones the feel of a real DSLR, adding balance, control, and confidence with every press. The detachable wireless shutter fires smoothly, while strong magnets lock everything in place. Accessories attach easily for vlogs or live shots, all without bulk. Pocket-ready design keeps creativity moving. Amazon lists this upgrade at $32.99. Opened snack bags invite air, staleness, and wasted food almost immediately. A compact heat sealer restores freshness by closing original packaging in seconds, locking flavor back inside. The built-in cutter trims excess plastic cleanly, keeping edges neat and controlled. No warm-up delays slow the process. Press, glide, and seal with steady precision. Lightweight sizing fits drawers, backpacks, or fridge doors through magnetic hold. Snacks stay crisp, storage feels smarter, and waste drops noticeably. On Amazon, this everyday kitchen helper shows up at $17.99, a small shift that protects every bite. Wet boots ruin comfort, shorten footwear life, and turn mornings miserable. A telescopic shoe dryer solves that by sending warm airflow deep inside boots, gloves, and gear, reaching areas moisture usually hides. Flexible ports adjust easily, while the rotating rack adapts to different shapes without forcing fabric. Quiet heat circulates evenly, drying items efficiently while protecting materials. A smart timer shuts everything off automatically, keeping energy use controlled and predictable. From work boots to outdoor gear, comfort returns faster and stays consistent. On Amazon, this everyday essential lands at $23.79, making dry footwear a reliable routine. Smudged lenses and constant fog break focus at the worst moments. Ordilend restores clear vision through a compact cleaning kit built for daily carry. Dual-layer microfiber pads polish both sides at once, while the anti-fog spray creates a protective barrier that keeps grease and moisture away for hours. A soft brush lifts dust safely, and precision tools handle quick adjustments when frames loosen. Glasses, sunglasses, and camera lenses stay sharp, protected, and comfortable to wear. Everything fits neatly inside a portable case, ready whenever clarity matters. On Amazon, this everyday visual upgrade comes in at $9.99. Nightstands often fill with separate devices that clutter space and distract the senses. A compact LED smart lamp unifies light, sound, charging, and time into one sculptural centerpiece. Soft ambient glow sets the mood, while the sunrise alarm eases mornings with warm progression instead of harsh noise. Built-in Bluetooth delivers clear audio for winding down or focusing, and wireless charging powers phones effortlessly on contact. The modern G-shaped design elevates bedrooms or offices with balance and calm. On Amazon, this all-in-one upgrade appears at $25.99, blending comfort, rhythm, and style in a single touchpoint. Small kitchens often force endless hand washing, wasted water, and cluttered sinks that never seem to clear. EUHOMY changes that rhythm with a compact countertop dishwasher built for apartments, RVs, and tight living spaces. An integrated water tank powers full wash cycles without plumbing, handling dozens of dishes in one run. Multiple programs adapt to glassware, daily loads, baby items, or greasy cookware, while dual spray arms reach every surface evenly. Heated drying finishes the cycle, followed by gentle ventilation that keeps plates fresh for hours. Energy and water use stay remarkably low, freeing time and restoring order to everyday routines. For anyone wanting real dishwashing power without permanent installation, Amazon lists this space-smart solution at $249.99. Water streaks, fogged mirrors, and dripping showers make clean surfaces feel unfinished. Kärcher WV1 restores clarity by vacuuming moisture and residue directly off glass, tile, and countertops in one smooth pass. Lightweight design fits naturally in hand, guiding precision without fatigue. Paired spray and microfiber prep the surface, while the electric squeegee lifts grime and excess water instantly. No drips hit the floor, no marks remain behind. A single charge powers extended sessions across multiple rooms with consistent results. Amazon presents this refined cleaning upgrade at $74.99, bringing speed, control, and shine back into daily upkeep. Kitchen waste usually means touching lids, struggling with bags, and dealing with lingering odors. Airdeer changes that experience through motion-activated opening and automatic sealing that packages trash instantly. Once removed, a fresh liner replaces itself without manual handling. Built-in voice guidance keeps operation intuitive, while long battery life supports months of daily use. Clean design fits kitchens, bathrooms, or offices with quiet efficiency. On Amazon, this hands-free upgrade arrives at $129.99. Sweeping crumbs and pet hair usually means bending down, chasing debris, and repeating the same motion again. EyeVac flips that routine by activating instantly when dirt approaches, pulling everything in with powerful suction. Infrared sensors respond automatically, while cyclonic airflow and HEPA filtration capture fine dust and allergens from floors and air. No bags, no switches, no waiting between passes. It stays ready, shuts off once the job finishes, and keeps spaces visibly cleaner with minimal effort. Amazon lists this hands-free floor solution at $139 even. Bare shelves and empty desks often lack warmth or personality. A seated face planter adds charm by pairing greenery with playful character, turning small succulents or cactus into conversation starters. The compact body fits shelves, windowsills, or workspaces, while the drainage plug supports healthy watering habits. Lighthearted design lifts moods without overpowering decor, blending humor with function. On Amazon, this expressive planter appears at $19.95, offering a simple way to make any space feel more alive.